Yo.
Cloud.
Hard Work ENT. 704.
Yo.
This is us. Red Hook Noodles. We appreciate that beat, man. You didn't know you made it for
Sure
us.
damn do.
It's your boy Shadow, Lil Billy, Cloud.
Yep.
Chip.
Lurking in the streets. Hard Work Entertainment. 704.
Don't walk down the alleys alone.
Yeah. Dead silence, dead silence, dead silence. Dead silence, dead silence, dead silence. Dead silence, dead silence, dead silence. Dead silence, dead silence, dead silence.
Looking up around the table, everybody is from our labels. Cloud, Little Billy, Matt, Vegas, and Shadow. We don't have no halos. You niggas, we pay low. You fucking with us, you can't fuck with us because you on a short bus. You niggas thought you could get me. You niggas thought you forfeit me. Our beat is off of mistaken labels, and I'm telling you niggas true, not fables. You niggas telling lies while you sitting over there on the chair about to cry because it's hard work and we don't play with dirt. We get it clean like white nigga. It's going down tonight. Fucking with us. You ain't fucking with us. 704 fucking with us. Hard Work ENT, get at us.
Dead silence, dead silence, dead silence. Yeah. Dead silence, dead silence, dead silence. Dead silence, dead silence, dead silence.
When I come up with
dead silence, dead silence.
Oh, they call me Cloud, motherfucker, and I smoke that loud. I go up in that house and I will be proud. They don't wanna see you with the little nigga Billy and with Shadow. Hell, we get low. We get them hollows, we get them in the pillows. We slaughter you, we kill you, and then we get the laughter.
Damn.
You can get laughter, we gonna laugh after. And if you got that after, then you can come after. We don't know what we damn doing in these streets, but you don't wanna fuck with cause we carry the heat. It's hard work, 704 and you know we bout it. Cause we get that shit and we got them tell about it.
Dead silence, dead silence, dead silence. Dead silence, dead silence, dead silence. Dead silence, dead silence, dead silence.
Dead silence,
Lil Billy,
dead silence,
yeah.
dead silence.
Little Bill, I'm psychopathic. I'm the nigga with the hatchet. Chop you up, I don't give a fuck. Go with some blood Judge Dredd. Go to church, go repent. Son, I pitch up a tent. Slice you up, I chop you up. About some fun with for none. This is what I do, I go through you. And this is what I do, I school you. And son, you wanna fuck with us. Son, you know about fucking cuss. Push you down, I lay you down. 6 feet, I'm a fucking clown. Pan my face like a dead president. Son, this is what I do. I say I'm dead silence, dead silence, dead silence. Shh. Dead silence, dead silence, dead silence. Shh. Dead silence, dead silence, dead silence. Shh. Dead silence, dead silence, dead silence.
Shadow getting back on the beat. Made you fucking press repeat. You niggas know we got that heat. Niggas don't wanna fucking see us. Don't wanna mail us, pull the triggers. Niggas, you don't see our figures. We stacking tall, you niggas fall. While we sitting there at the mall, we buying clothes and you window shopping. Nigga, you just sitting there hawking. It's Shadow, Cloud, and Little Billy fucking with us, and you silly. We don't tell you that we cold. You just felt a little chilly, and we told you that niggas, you don't fuck with us willy-nilly. I'm Shadow telling you again, nigga, you don't play, you repent. And I'm telling you, we hell sent. You niggas fucking heaven rent. You niggas don't fuck with my money because I'm paying rent. You niggas looking at me and you know it's over. We ain't telling you bullshitting. Our labels all over this. Our labels telling you niggas you wanna fucking just visit this. You vote for this. You niggas listen to us. You don't play for us.
Yeah.
You niggas ain't even over there with no porridge. Our shit is hard with no fucking chorus. Nigga, you don't wanna step to us because you too toward us. You niggas don't say no more. You niggas don't want the halos. You going to heaven, fuck with hell. Niggas, my last name is Bell because it's dead silence, dead silence, dead silence.
Dead silence, dead silence, dead silence. Shh. Dead silence, dead silence, dead silence. Shh. Dead silence, dead silence, dead silence.
What you just heard was Red Hook Noodles produced that beat.
Shit.
Fucking with it, Cloud,
Baby.
Lil Billy.
Yo.
And you know it's me, Halo, sitting on the beat. You niggas want to fuck with us, ride to us a little bit.
Dead silence. Check us out. Hard Work Entertainment on YouTube. Facebook.com/Shadow Lil Billy. One word. Dead silence. Hard Work Entertainment. Check us out.
Clap.